One of the burgers I've become known for is something that I did not invent. It's a very basic burger called the Oklahoma Fried Onion Burger. It is probably one of the most important hamburgers in hamburger history because back in the beginning, to flavor burgers, they would simply take onions and then put them either in or on the burger. Onions predate ketchup, predate cheese, everything else. What I love about the fried onion burger from Oklahoma is that it only has 5 elements. That's it, just 5. Those 5 elements together create a sum that is far greater than its parts. People ask me, is there a sauce on there? Did you toast the bun? None of these things happened at all. It's a very simple burger that is put together in just a matter of minutes. Bun, cheese, beef, onion, and salt. That's it. You have to get all 5 of those things right, and you have a great burger. First thing you do is start with great ground beef. I obviously use fantastic beef from my friends at Schweid. I like a double, so I'm making a double. These are 2 3-ounce balls of beef that are gonna get smashed. Next, a little bit of salt goes on the balls. Next, thin sliced Vidalia onion. A simple, sweet onion that has been sliced super thin on a deli slicer. That's the only way to actually get onions sliced as thin as you actually need them, is on a deli slicer. And I also use a very liberal amount of onions, like they did back in the old days. A couple of guys realized that if you add onions to beef, you actually extend your beef supply. I use a very stiff spatula, and I smash them down. I don't just smash them straight down like some people do. I actually taper the edges. That way, the edges get crispy and the center stays a little bit moist. And then you leave it, that's it. Once some liquid is formed on the top of the patties, I can see that it's ready to be flipped. Also, what's happening is you can see here that a lot of the onions have caramelized and are almost burnt. Really what you want. Flip. Flip. And I always put cheese on the flip. And then I do something that goes back to the dawn of hamburger history. I take a Motz potato roll, which are, of course, the best bun for what I'm about to do here, and I simply place the bun on top of the cheese, and I place the heel on top of the crown of the bun, just like that. Now what's gonna happen is, it doesn't need butter, it doesn't need toasting. All it needs is that beef steam to come up through there and soften it and flavor it and make it perfect. It's all gonna become one right now. I didn't make this up, but I do refer to this as letting it ride. Simple. 5 ingredients: bun, cheese, onions, beef, and salt. That's it. And if you want, add a pickle. My homage to one of the most important burgers in the history of American gastronomy on a Motz potato roll.